This is about 6 feet away from the car, so you can hear it. Let me move over. And this right here is at about 3 feet away from the car. So you see, it's not too loud, to be honest. Like always, guys, remember, click like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right.
I'ma blow up. Yeah.